Hi everyone, it's Rory here from Careers Portal. I just wanted to come on and introduce you to a handy tool on the website that can show you all the scholarship options that are available to you. So if you go on to the Careers Portal homepage, and up the top here you can see Tools. So if we click on Tools, and then if we go to the Education section and go across to Scholarships, if we click there, then that takes us to the page then with all the scholarships across the country. And you can see there are so many. There's lots of scholarship options available to you. So what we want to do is we want to refine that. So we can go up to this search bar here. And if I was to put in, say, sports and click search, now it has taken me to all the sports scholarships that are available. Okay, and if you want to find out more about any particular scholarship, just click full details. And then that'll take you to the scholarship page then on the institution. Okay, so we can refine this even further. So if we go up here and say, and it's soccer that you're interested in, simply type in soccer and search. And again, you can see now that all the scholarships with soccer in the title have come up. Now you can do the same and get away from sports, and maybe it's academics that you're interested in. Put an academic in the search bar, then takes us to all the academic scholarships. Now maybe you know which college you're going to and that you've applied for. So you want to see what scholarships that they have available. Click on the sponsor, select your college. Well, in this case we'll select DCU. Click search. And you can see then that all the scholarships that DCU have to offer are on this page. So that's the scholarship tool here on Careers Portal. It's updated regularly as well by us here at Careers Portal. So I hope that you find it of use.